Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to transfer Amazon gift card to PayPal. Are you looking for an easy way to transfer Amazon gift card credits to your PayPal? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to open your PayPal account whether you're on mobile or you're on the PC. Once you're in the PayPal dashboard, tap on Wallet. Inside Wallet, tap on the Banks and Cards option. Then tap on the plus sign on the right. You will need to choose debit and credit cards. The next step is to input the card number. Simply look at the back of your Amazon gift card for this information. Another thing is you'll need the month and date on the back of your Amazon gift card filled in. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.